Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in Jet Black. I mean, this phone has been out for a couple of months. I debated not doing a video, but I'll be honest with you, every other video out there seems to be in the blue. So I thought, why not do the Jet Black? And also because I don't know, people will be looking at this phone for a while going ahead, not just now. So anything in here, let's have a look. Usual, I imagine. Cable. I feel like with these, with the foldables, because the box is bigger, you expect more, but there's still nothing in here. Paper rubbish. Hey, quick question. So Apple used to give you stickers in the box, and they don't anymore. I'm guessing that's just because of the cheapskates. If Samsung gave you stickers, what would be on the stickers? So looking for the SIM card ejector tool. There it is. Oh look, more boomph. There's a SIM card ejector tool tucked away. Found it in the end. And there is the phone in black. All things black and beautiful. Everything black is better in my opinion. Just going to quickly remove that. And you know what they say, once you go black, you're probably going to have a cleaner aesthetic in your life. Paper on both sides. Isn't it nice that there's less plastic just floating around the world now thanks to phones deciding to use card and paper rather than plastic. Ooh. It's not as satisfying to peel, but you know, can't have it all. And then we've got a sticker on this side, which might be a little bit more satisfying. Definitely felt it, didn't sound it. Do like, even though it's called Jet Black, kind of looks grey to me, but I do like it. It is very sleek and oh wow. That's two things. That is thin, but also that is thick. You need the first close and power it on. So not a lot has changed with the Z Fold 7, he says, lying. A lot has changed with the Z Fold 7. Is this actually dead? Usually it's about half a charge, right? But nothing's happening. Look, you've got the wider display. There we go. That makes it look more like a flagship in the front, so it's not that narrow bar anymore. It is a lot wider, which looks great, feels great in the hand. Yes! It is super slim compared to the Z Fold 6 54321 before it. And it also has a 200 megapixel camera, and the ultra wide also has the dual focus, so you can now do macro shots with the ultra wide, which for some reason was missing from the Z Fold 6, despite the fact that other phones have been doing that with ultra wide for the last couple of years. Hey ho, pay more for the phone and get less, I suppose. Speaking of less, there's also no S Pen anymore, which is a bit of a bummer. I'm going to leave that for my full review video, but so far this feels like a toy. Like a really expensive toy. Just does not feel right at all. It's a very bright screen, so it is dimming the camera there. Do apologize. Yeah, I mean, it feels fake. This from someone who's used the Fold every year since the Z Fold 3. I have had every model since that launched, upgraded every year. This just feels really impressive at how light and how thin it is. It almost like feels like they added weight to the previous models to make them seem thicker. I know that sounds bizarre. I don't actually believe that, but that's just the best way I can describe how it feels. Like, I mean, it's got the same size battery. It's bigger, as in it's got bigger screens outside and inside, but somehow feels lighter. It's weird. How can it be bigger, but lighter and slimmer, but same size battery? There's a lot I'm biting my tongue for saying now. I just want to get my get this turned on and set up, and I'm going to do a full review of it and a few other videos I have in mind as well. So stay tuned and subscribe for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and you want to see more like it. And everything helps. I really do appreciate every share, every subscribe, every like. I'm a small creator doing this for nothing, just because I like technology. So thank you for sticking with me and being a part of this journey with me. I appreciate you all. See you in the next one. Wow.